Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to web search on PS5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Firstly, navigate to the settings. Then go to the system. Choose a web browser. Ensure that allow cookies, enable JavaScript, and prevent cross-site tracking are toggled on. Now, go to the accessibility, choose display and sound, choose zoom, and ensure it is enabled. Press the O button to return to the main menu. Go to the game base section, then choose friends, and choose a friend. Go to the send message section, and send the link www.google.ca. Click on the link and you will be redirected to a Google search. And that's how to web search on PS5.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.